8 Best Drinks for Boosting Collagen. Welcome to our guide on the best drinks for boosting collagen, a key protein that plays a crucial role in maintaining youthful, resilient skin, strong joints, and overall well-being. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, providing structure and elasticity to our skin, supporting joint health, and ensuring our connective tissues remain robust. However, as we age, collagen production naturally declines, which can impact our skin's appearance and joint flexibility. Let's explore 8 fantastic drinks that can enhance collagen production and support your skin's health and overall wellness. 1. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is not only great for your eyes but also vital for collagen synthesis. Its high beta-carotene content, which converts to vitamin A in the body, supports healthy skin and collagen production. The bright orange hue of carrots reflects their powerful antioxidant properties, making carrot juice a top choice for collagen health. 2. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is renowned for its skin-soothing properties, but it also supports collagen production. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, aloe vera helps nourish and protect your skin. These vitamins act as antioxidants, shielding your skin from free radicals that can damage collagen. 3. Tomato juice. Tomato juice is loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects collagen from damage caused by free radicals. Lycopene helps preserve collagen integrity, making tomato juice an excellent choice for maintaining healthy skin and supporting collagen levels. 4. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is a vibrant, antioxidant-rich option for collagen support. Packed with ellagic acid, this compound plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis and skin protection. Incorporating pomegranate juice into your diet can help enhance skin health and support collagen production. 5. Herbal teas. Herbal teas, particularly hibiscus and rooibos, are excellent for skin health and collagen production. Hibiscus tea contains anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals and protect collagen. Rooibos tea, naturally caffeine-free, is rich in aspalathin, an antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties that support collagen health. 6. Bone broth. Bone broth has long been celebrated for its healing properties and nutritional benefits. Made by simmering bones and connective tissues from chicken, beef, or fish, bone broth extracts collagen, gelatin, and other key nutrients. This age-old elixir supports skin, joint, and gut health with its collagen-rich composition. 7. Citrus fruit juices. For a refreshing collagen boost, citrus fruit juices are a top choice. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are rich in vitamin C, a vital nutrient for collagen synthesis. Drinking fresh citrus juices not only provides a burst of flavor but also significantly increases your vitamin C intake, essential for maintaining skin health and promoting collagen production. 8. Green smoothies. Green smoothies are a powerhouse for boosting collagen synthesis. These nutrient-dense blends combine leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens with a variety of fruits and vegetables. Leafy greens are packed with essential nutrients that support collagen production, making green smoothies a great choice for healthy, glowing skin. As we conclude our exploration of the top drinks for enhancing collagen production, it's clear that there are plenty of delicious and nutritious options to support your skin, joints, and overall health. Whether you're enjoying a refreshing citrus juice, savoring a soothing herbal tea, or sipping on a hearty bone broth, each of these beverages provides unique benefits that contribute to maintaining and boosting collagen levels. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful health tips. Share the knowledge with others who might benefit, and here's to a healthier, more vibrant future.